Okay, I still look crazy. I always get on here looking crazy. But I have to go pick my sister up from school. But I'm about to film my new intro. So when I get back home, I'm gonna finish my makeup and do my hair so I can film my new intro. Because your girl was getting demonetized. And we can't be having that. So, period. But yeah, me and my little sister, Jada, are on our way to pick up Ken like we did yesterday, and yeah, period. So we'll be back when I'm looking ready, because I'm not right now. I'm gonna go back so we can fill this intro and Jada has to do her homework.
Oh, I did not mean to start it. I can't do vlog stuff. I didn't even know it started. Okay. Alright guys, so oh wait, this is your channel, not mine.
Can't be logging.
Alright guys, so we got Kennedy. She's right there. Why you look like that? You're just mad. Oh.
Cause she want McDonald's.
Yeah, she wants us to go get McDonald's.
But we have stuff to do.
Yep.
And my grandma said she was gonna take her, so grandma gonna take you when we get home.
No, she said after school.
Well,
It's still gonna be after school when she's ready to take
not.
you. Yes, it
No,
is.
it's not.
I promise you it is.
No, it's not.
Ken, don't be a brat,
don't be a brat, Kennedy.
or I won't take you.
Do you want to say anything to the camera?
Here, you wanna hold it? I'm gonna tell grandma not to take you if you keep acting like that.
Alright guys, but we're heading home right now to go film the intro, so stay tuned.
And it's gonna be so cute. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
We're trying to find music right now, though.
Yeah, we've been listening to music. We're trying to see what songs we're gonna do. We have a few options.
I would really just use Ariana Grande's Last Christmas song, but
Yeah, but then we'll get copyrighted. And we don't want that to happen.
which is why I had to change my intro from the beginning, because it wouldn't even let me post any more videos because I was like copyrighted or whatever. Like, I didn't have any strikes on my channel, but it was just notifying me that it was using copyrighted music, and it was just not letting me post. And I was just like, what the heck?
Yeah, so we have to change the intro. But this intro is gonna be cuter anyway, so.
Period. So yeah, when we find this music, we'll be back.
Okay guys, so Michaela is done with her makeup and we're about to film the intro. And it's gonna be lit. So
Can I record?
Okay, don't show them.
oh,
Can I record?
oh yeah.
Can I? Guys, they're filming the intro right now.
But I still want it to be like nice.
Yeah.
I don't wear my peaches.
Yeah.
Mom, Jada said.
But this is gonna be a vlog all in itself. But I don't want to get demonetized again, so that's why I do this.
Jada's sending this one to Michaela's phone.
Why you just don't make the same intro for all of them?
I am, but I'm saying this is gonna be for the rest of all my vlogs. Remember the one I said I got demonetized is
Why you
going
can't just change it?
change the music?
Change the intro.
I changed the music, but I want like a real life vlog instead of just pictures. Are you ready? Is it recording? Yeah. Oh, okay, ready? Okay, now cut that. And I'll move the ring like this.
So guys,
I'll be like going down there.
Our intro.
So
In another video, because I'm almost caught
they
up on
are
10 vlogs and it's a day vlog, so
about.
I just gotta edit my own post.
So
Start
start.
those vlogs at the beginning.
Mom,
I'm
Jada's
not
sending.
doing anything and I'm at school.
Mom, Jada's sending.
But I want like a real life vlog instead of just pictures. Are you ready? Is it recording? Yeah. Oh, okay, ready? Okay, now cut that. And I put the ring like down.
Your face is all screwed up coming down.
It's supposed to be like, I'm not so bad.
Lighting and everything set up to film the next
Scene.
next scene.
So look, come here. Jada, come be by the street.
Just get ready, guys.
Oh.
So here's the next.
Jada, come squat down.
But they're gonna see Peppa.
I'm taking Peppa off right now. So this is where you squat down. This is where you need to record, right here. Actually, Jada, go be me. No, sit down. I'm gonna be sitting down. Scoot back. Way back, way back. Can you see me?
No, you're not in this set.
Ken,
You
What?
need to tell her that.
You were like this. You told me to put it right
but
here.
get
You
me.
need to tell her to go closer.
Get me.
Okay.
Jada, watch her so she can make sure she's doing it. Are y'all still recording?
Yes.
Go. Put the camera down. I'll tell you to keep going if you're in the link.
I will.
Pull this off my shoulder, Jada. Okay, ready?
From 2K or
Oh, don't stop recording. You're right. Can you see who it is?
mm-hmm.
Oh, start over. Sorry.
Ready?
See. Okay.
You fell.
I'm back, y'all. Changed to something comfy. I'm getting ready to go bowling in a little bit. Not really.
Hey guys. You're too tall.
One of recycle and one that regular trash.
Huh?
Is one recycle and one regular?
They got regular trash in both of them.
It started off as recycle, but first time in my house, I forgot. That's not my room that we were in. Gotta cut this out of the vlog. But that wasn't my room that we were in. What?
That was in her room.
Because it's her first time here. I said that wasn't my room. So I'm gonna get used to it. Next time you come, we go somewhere else. We relocate.
We be moving. It's gonna go with the flow.
It's supposed to be the guest room, but it's really my brother's room. Next time we'll be my sister's. Don't know which one.
Which one, yeah. We've never slept in the loft though. Why haven't we just slept in the loft yet? Like they had a little sleepover?
Yeah.
We should do that. I'm not good
I'll
enough
sleep
for the,
in
I'm
the
not good enough for the loft,
I want to
guys.
be on myself.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Can I get this side with no chocolate?
Oh, I thought you like chocolate. You want chocolate?
I don't need this. I can get never mind. I want some.
I know.
That's that good icing.
That's the only thing my dad buys me. Who is my dad? No, I'm playing. Look at my dad.
I was about to say, when the last time you seen your daddy? Bought this 30 years ago.
So my daddy.
Adrian, get another plate. And you can't use a regular fork on this. I mean, y'all gonna have to try and use one. Because y'all can't even take my mama forks.
Dang. I really feel like an OG now that toys here.
Oh,
See the newest.
Really? You know what? I can become
You should feel like an
OG
OG
real
out of
fast.
everybody. Well, I don't know. You and Jordan kind of on the same level.
I could become an OG real fast. Don't come for my life.
Yeah, like Nick.
You said he warming up.
You recording the whole game?
No, not the whole thing. Who's the YouTuber, me or you?
Oh, you doing it?
It's Nick, your turn.
Go ahead, Nick. I ain't got no. I'm skinny as hell. I've been losing too much weight.
Hey, can we get your mom?
Vlogging posing? You not even posing.
Nigga, I'm vlogging. I had to vlog my whole day.
Somehow we ended up at Walmart once again.
Can't do nothing with black people.
I promise, like, we don't even know why we're in Walmart. I hope that wasn't in it. Like, something is wrong with him. But yeah, at this point, my eyes are really dry. Like, my contacts, like, I've been sleeping in them and not putting no solution in my eyes. Yeah, so my eyes are dry and they keep having, like, I keep having eye boogers. Like, me just comes out.
Stay tuned. Got getting kicked out. Stay tuned.
I'm not getting kicked out of Walmart. I am not ghetto. But yeah, stay tuned.